Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn all about tuple in Python. Tuples are an immutable sequence data type that can store a collection of items. They are similar to lists but with one key difference. They cannot be changed after they are created. Let's dive into the detail and see how we can use tuple effectively in Python program. So first, let's understand what is tuple. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round braces and can contain any number of elements of different data type. Creating tuple, you can create a tuple by placing comma separate value inside parentheses. So now here I will see you how to create tuples. So for that I will create Python file. So tuples.py, hit enter. Now I will create a tuple. So my tuples is equal to round brackets and 1 2 3 comma double quotation apple comma and mango. Now I will print this. So print my tuples. After this I will run this on terminal. So you can see it is printed 1 2 3 and apple and mango. After this I will create empty tuple. To create an empty tuple, use empty parenthesis. So here hit enter and I will write a variable name is empty tuples is equal to simply write round braces. So it is empty tuple. Now I will print this. So print empty tuples. I will run this. So you can see it is created empty tuple. After this I will create single element tuple. To create a tuple with a single element, adding a comma after the element. So here I will write single element is equal to round bracket 3 and comma. Now I will print this. Print, hit enter and single element. I will run this. So you can see the single element tuple is printed. Now after this we will see how to access tuple using index. So you can access tuple element using indexing just like list. Indexes start at 0. Now I will use this tuple to access element using index. So I will access this 3 and mango values. So here I will print, hit enter and my tuple brackets and the 3 is on 2 index and now I will again print, hit enter brackets and my tuple and the mango on 4 index. So 4. Now I will run this. So you can see that the 3 and the mango is printed. So in this way you can use tuples. So that's it for today. This is our introduction to tuples in Python. Tuples are fundamental data structure that provide a way to store a sequence of items that cannot be changed. They are used for sorting data that should remain constant throughout the life of a program. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Python tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.